your income as of now is 35 lakhs.
33, around 33
33.
lakhs.
So per
Yes,
month, how much it is? It is almost 2.5 lakhs.
please, Milords.
And court has granted you 90,000 as maintenance. So it is coming up to how much?
Milords, my humble submission is that
No, it
Milords,
comes to how much? It
How-
comes to more than, it's
around
almost
3.5 lakhs, Milords.
almost 4 lakhs.
Please, Milords.
3.5, 4 lakhs.
Please, Milords.
So there are no children out of the wedlock.
No, Milords.
Now, according to you, now because my husband is earning 4 crores and 8 crores and odd, I should be granted.
The application has been filed in 2018, my lords. I started to earn the current amount which my lords have stated right now. It only in the year for 2022 onwards, 2022, 23 and onwards. Till that, I was not having much income, my lords. Even my ITR speaks what I was having. I did had my businesses.
Again, falsely well employed. As per her admission, she's making 33 lakhs every year. She makes a false statement on oath before the trial court, not at one stance, my lord. I can take.
Ask the court to initiate.
Yes, my lord.
Both of you come up with, according to them, you have suppressed.
No, my lord, let them point out.
Let both of
Yeah,
you.
let them point
And
out
let
anything.
let the court take a serious view and will also point
Yes, ma'am.
out. Court has to consider the scope of this petition where her wife draws an amount of 33 lakhs. Husband
Admitted.
draws a annual income of 4 crores or 5 crores.
8
crores
lakhs.
plus.
8 crores, 8 lakhs.
8 crores.
Yes.
So what is this? Now why the wife is coming up for the enhancement? Your income as of now is 35 lakhs.
33, around 33
33.
lakhs.
So per
Yes,
month, how much it is? It is almost 2.5 lakhs.
please, Milords.
And court has granted you 90,000 as maintenance. So it is coming up to how much?
My lords, my humble submission is that
No,
my
it
lords,
comes to how much? It
How-
comes to more than, it's
around 3.5 lakhs, Milords.
almost 4 lakhs.
Please, Milords.
3.5, 4 lakhs.
Please, Milords.
So there are no children out of the wedlock.
No, my lords.
Now, according to you, now because my husband is earning 4 crores and 8 crores and odd, I should be granted.
My lords, my submission is that, my lords, the application has been filed in 2018, my lords. I started to earn the current amount which my lords have stated right now. It only in the year for 2022 onwards, 2022, 23 and onwards. Till that, I was not having much income, my lords. Even my ITR speaks what I was having. I did had my businesses.
Again, false
Because-
statement.
My lords,
Sorry,
let,
my
let,
lord.
let me make
They
this-
filed their everyday assets and liability in this year, 2024. Therefore, this matter came to be decided. How can they disown? How can they say it is 2018, my lord? Very
But the affidavit has
reckless
been filed in
statement.
2022, my lords. Thereafter, after the direction of this honorable court to produce the assets and liability, because they never produced the assets and liability. This honorable court directed them. Because of that reason, the matter was pending till long in the trial court. There is a clear direction passed by this honorable court.
What are your expenditure? Why do you require 3 lakhs per month? What is the expenditure?
My lords,
Is it
comes
because
around.
because a husband is earning 9 crores or 8 crores according to you?
My lords,
You should
that-
also have proportionate. But this is very unfortunate. Court is feeling these kind of petition just for the sake of you have money, he has money. Both of you come to the court.
Lords,
That is not the purport of interim application. What section 24 says?
Please,
read
my
it.
lords.
Was not
My
able
lords,
to maintain.
Not for
At the
clients
point of
like
time
you.
filing of an application, my
Both
lords.
your clients.
At the point of filing application, my lords, there was no income, my lords. Actually, my ITS says that I
That
was.
is done. That is
Please,
done
my
at
lords.
point of time. Now 20.
Now I'm.
Where is enhancement now? Where is enhancement now? Now in that case.
But the reason, my
you are
lords,
entitled for-
The
No,
wife
then-
need to have
No,
the same status of
that
an husband,
case-
my lords.
In that
Not
case, you are entitled only till 2022. Because 2022 you are employed now.
please, my lords.
And then
But
court shouldn't grant maintenance after 2022. When a person who is earning 35 lakhs, why do you want still maintenance from the husband?
my lords, my humble submission is that, my lords, what I'm earning for a year, my husband earns 66 lakhs per
I
month.
don't think that is the purport
Oh,
of.
my lords, No, that's not my intention, my lords. The reason is that, my lords,
Alimony or whatever you want to
My
ask
lords,
as. But not.
the wife has to
He's
be,
earning that much.
my lords.
It is no you out of the I think he stayed for 6 months. That's what he was saying.
That's
on the
a wrong
last
statement, my
ma'am.
lords.
See,
The rate of
they
separation
brought
is that, my lords,
15.
1/7/2015, my lords. Marriage is, my lords, 26/2014. It's
It is if they themselves claim on page number 462 as their expenses of 1,15,000 per month. It is her assets and liability. It is
The order.
it is sorry.
It
There
is
is a-
order in WP number 8612.
my lords,
My lords.
page number 492, my lords. The
in
operating
my
portion
petition,
at
it is page number 22.
Page number
22 in my petition. 622.
My lords.
Petition.
4612, my lords, page number 492.
For
Volume 2, my lords, volume 2. There are two volumes, my lords.
impute
492.
notice in the second volume.
Please, my lords.
Yes, give that.
Ladies, I made a compilation of judgments of Supreme Court which says anybody who takes the court for granted, they should be.
Not anybody, that's what I made.
Yes,
it
my
very
let
clear.
them point at one single instance on my part, where I lied. There's nothing as such. I'm facing cross-examination on
All
data.
documents, where is the order?
Lords, 492, my lords.
How can you find an
492.
impugned order in the second volume?
Page number 492.
Give that second writ petition.
My lord, it is in page number 22 on my compilation.
Page number,
22.
that's the one.
When they met under the,
With orders passed in.
there is a one more request, my lord. I'm relying upon the judgment of Supreme Court which categorically says anybody making the false statement, taking the court for a right, they should not be entertained. There are three direct judgments of the Supreme
With the
Court, my lord.
orders passed in, take that. Agreed with the orders passed in. Where is the IA? What is this order in which case?
My lord, this was for the interim maintenance.
Where do you get that?
My lord, the title itself.
The agreed with orders passed
Madam.
by the trial court under section 125 CRPC, under section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act, in criminal miscellaneous number 635 of 2019, criminal miscellaneous number 293 of 2023, and MC number 6470 of 2022, dated 12th February 2024, both the wife, whereby the court had granted 90,000 as maintenance, both the husband and wife are before this court. The wife's writ petition is WP number A612 of 2024, and the husband's writ petition is WP number 6222 of 2024. The husband has filed MC seeking divorce. Before, while in the pending MC, parties have come before this court by filing several writ petitions. Initially, WP number 11146 of 2022 dated 31st January 2023 is filed. Agreed by the order passed by the family court dated 1/12/2021. Upon the application under section 91 of the Code of Criminal Procedure in the criminal C miscellaneous number 635 of 2019. The court had passed an order dated dated 31st January 2023. The stage for consideration of all the malified is in a challenge to an innocuous order would not be entertainable, hence leaving open all the contentions of the respective parties to be urged before the court. The petition is dismissed, and the court has also observed that both the husband and the wife shall cooperate with the proceedings for its conclusion in terms of the order.